An Indiana OBGYN is facing the state medical board. The status of her license is on the line after she spoke to a reporter about an abortion she performed on a 10-year-old rape victim from Ohio. Dr. Caitlin Bernard made national headlines as abortion rights shifted across the country after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade last year. WRTV's Caitlin Kendall has been inside Dr. Bernard's hearing all day, and she just stepped out to bring us the latest. Caitlin.
Yeah, Megan, to be honest, we are still in the thick of it. The board has been hearing testimony all day long. Dr. Bernard answering questions from both the state and from her attorneys, as well as questions from the board. Now, Dr. Caitlin Bernard did, of course, present her case on behalf of this, answering questions. At around 8:30 this morning, the board swore in, hearing that testimony from Attorney General Todd Rokita's office and Dr. Caitlin Bernard's attorneys. Now, this case is the first step to determine Dr. Bernard's medical license status. The Attorney General claims that Dr. Bernard violated patient privacy laws when she spoke to the media about the girl's treatment at a rally last June. He also claims that she didn't report the child abuse properly and to the proper outlets. Rokita's office says that Dr. Bernard didn't report the abuse to Indiana officials. She and several other witnesses testified, saying that it was reported to Indiana Department of Child Services when the terminated pregnancy report was filed. Now, Bernard was also very emotional today, at times even shedding a few tears. And all day, she has been adamant that she has done nothing wrong and reported everything as she should have. A social worker even testified just moments ago, saying that she did report and the team reported everything as they should have to Indiana DCS. A lot of questions still to hammer out, and of course the board still has to have a discussion to determine if Dr. Bernard will get to keep her license. Now, the state just called their last witness up to the stand, and it is a HIPAA expert, so of course we'll be learning more information as to what those violations are that Todd Rokita's office is claiming against Caitlin Bernard. Of course, we'll bring you the very latest right here on WRTV News at 6. We're live outside of Caitlin Bernard's hearing. I'm Caitlin Kendall.